Hello and welcome to the news in brief. Coming up, court remands teens who beat teacher to death. President Akufo-Addo says work on Eastern Corridor Road to start in July. And finally, Supreme Court directs parties to file legal argument in suit challenging appointment of Martin Amidu as Special Prosecutor. The 6 accused persons said have murdered a teacher at the Salvation Army Basic School at Esiakwa in the Eastern Region have been remanded in prison custody. The Kibi District Magistrate Court, presided over by Her Worship Alice Efwa Yurinchi, remanded the accused when they appeared in court on Tuesday. Scores of residents, family members of the deceased, and teachers thronged the court and hooted at the accused persons as they were being whisked away to prison custody. Still on education, meanwhile, teachers at the Salvation Army Basic School at Esiakwa have vowed not to return to the classroom, but the Public Relations Officer of the Ghana Education Service, Cassandra Chum Ampofo, has urged them to go back to the classroom and prepare the final year students for the Basic Education Certificate examination. This is because the teachers at the school are said to have vacated their post following the murder of their colleague, Somua Bosompem, who wanted the youth to stop defecating in the school. President Akufo-Addo has assured the people of Oti region that work on the Eastern Corridor Road will resume in July this year. According to the president, the government was aware of their challenges, particularly with bad roads, and funds from the $2 billion from the Sino Hydro project will be used to fix the road. President Akufo-Addo paid a working visit to the newly created Oti region on Tuesday.
I am my dress and a cock pesca, a quiet can once a mina bear. I know not in fear me no chummy. Many Chinese for aqua and net Chinese for say about my mind is got $2 billion. I also know that the box site. I hope fast also make quack with just say Sicano car. The Sicano Bami and the Baba Yagana Quine, Emma Eastern Corridor, ya can once Sino Hydro project, lot 1, Ekahobi.
The Supreme Court has directed the Attorney General to file her argument on why Mr. Martin Amidu is qualified to occupy the position of Special Prosecutor. The plaintiff, Dr. Dominic Anyene, is also expected to file his argument challenging the appointment of Mr. Amidu as Special Prosecutor. The directive was given by the court today after the Attorney General and the plaintiff, Dr. Dominic Anyene, filed their memorandum of agreed issues. Dr. Anyene filed the case arguing that Mr. Amidu was 66 as of the time of his appointment as Special Prosecutor, which was against the Constitution with regard to the appointment of a public officer. And finally, President Akufo-Addo has given an assurance that his government will renegotiate portions of the concession agreement for the Tema Port Terminal with Meridian Port Services, after a closed-door meeting with the leadership of the Maritime and Dock Workers Union of the Ghana Port and Harbours Authority at the Jubilee House in Accra yesterday. Graphic Online has gathered that a government committee to be made up of officials of Ghana Port and Harbours Authority, Maritime and Dock Workers Union would be put in place to discuss how the agreement could be structured to ensure a win-win situation for both the developers and the country. For more news, visit graphic.com.gh.